The nation is covered head to toe by the highways, and this is of course accompanied by LED signage. So any slight difference that the highways industry can make to move to a more sustainable solution to renewable energy, this will have such a great impact on the effect that the highways industry is having on the current power consumption of the UK. Now, this also saves contractors having to dig miles and miles of cabling, miles and miles of trenches, because instead of closing out down lanes for miles, you can just close down one local site where you'll have the sign and the power solution. So in the short term, it's safer to install, and of course in the long term, it leads to sustainability. LED traffic signage powered by renewable energy sources is becoming more and more popular purely because all the stakeholders in the highways industry are taking ownership over delivering a more sustainable world, and they understand that this has to be done on all levels of the stakeholder grid, otherwise it won't happen. This is down to core suppliers, to national highways themselves. Everyone's making movement and everyone's making a difference.
So what we call the off-grid VMS signs, they're developed from a component level. All the components used are intrinsically low-powered devices. The LEDs, the capacitors, the diodes, everything we use are meant to consume as low power as they can. We also use lensing technology to focus the LED lights to tight beams to meet the regulations of EN standard, as well as we are not wasting any energy sending light where it's not needed. So with all of that combined, we have come up with a really low power consuming VMS unit, which can work similar to a traditional conventional VMS unit, which is mains powered. You get all the benefits of that, but they can be powered with batteries, solar power, wind power. We're looking at fuel cell options. So yeah, it gives them flexibility to install the signs wherever they want.
One of the solutions that we offer to help push to this more sustainable highways world are our vehicle activated speed signs. Now, these originally were powered by battery or mains powered. However, we're using our low power LEDs and our low power control boards to try and push towards the more fully sustainable solar powered solution. Now, not only does this reduce the energy consumption, but it also saves people getting a ladder out, putting it next to the sign, climbing up it on the side of the highways to change a battery. So there's various benefits that come with it, but of course, the main one we're talking about today is the fact that, of course, it is a sustainable option.